So here I have my number house that I drew, and we're going to just review it quickly before you start doing your work. If I put the number 3 here, the value of this number is 3, so I will just say 3. If I go ahead and put a 4 here, this becomes 43 because it's in the tens house, so 43. If I put the number 1 here, this becomes 143 because it's in the hundreds house, so 143. If I move over to my thousands house, every 3 space to the left, I need to put a comma. Yesterday when I was reviewing some people's work, they did not put the comma, or they put it at the wrong place. They were putting it here. So let's count 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. That's how we're going to do it. And we're now moving on to the thousands house. If I put the number 2 here, this number now becomes 2,143. If I add the number 6 here, this becomes 62. The same way this became 43, this is also 62 because now it's in the tens house. It's in the tens and the ones house, but this is the thousands house. So this becomes 62,143. Okay? Now what if I were to put the number 4 here? This is in the thousands house, but it's in the hundreds place. So this becomes 462,143. And when I write that number out, this is how I'm going to write it. 462, comma, 143. So this is how we write it. We don't put the comma here or here. Every 3 places, there is a comma. So when you're counting, always start from the right, go towards the left. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3. If I had another number here, then it would be comma. But if I had any more numbers here, then I would be going into the millions house, and we're not doing that as yet, okay? So I'm going to do one more number so that we can review another one before you start doing your work. Okay, just give me a minute here. All right, so let's see. What if I have a number like this? What is this number? There's not a number here. That's a 0, that's a 0, that's a 0. Oh, I already feel confused. Don't be confused, okay? We have a growth mindset. We can do challenging things. Let's take a look at it house by house. First, we're going to be looking at the thousands house. This is a 0, this is a 2, so I know this is 20. This is in the hundreds house, so I know this is 400. So this number is 420,000 because it's in the thousands house. So 420,000, and then I move over to this house. There's a 0, there's a 2, so I know this is 20. There's nothing here, so this number is just 20. So let's do it all together. This becomes 420,020. 420,020. That's all the number becomes. And when I'm writing it down, I'm going to write it like 420, comma, and 20. And I can also write it in word form. 420,000 and 20, right? Okay, so that was a quick little revision. On the next slide, you will have work to do. Write this work in your math notebook. So go ahead and take out your math notebook Now, if you would like to review what I just played, you can always pause your video and play it back if you would like to see it again.